Welcome to the second part of Birds at Rocky Pool for the month of February 2025. Lineated barbet still coming to the pool regularly. All three of our resident species of laughing thrush here too. As you can see, it is very dry and a lot of leaves have fallen from the trees and bamboos around the pool. Ah, yes! The gorgeous green magpie is still visiting. Pinstriped tit babblers in a small group as usual. And once again, the green magpie in the company of laughing thrush and the telltale tail feathers of a greater racket-tailed drongo in the top right corner. And the lineated barbet pair seem confused by the newly cleaned pool. Stripe-throated bulbuls are one of 6 bulbul species that we have recorded here. That big call is not from the little tiger flycatcher, but from an incoming racket-tailed tree pie. Well, what a beautiful sight. In this clip, we clearly see the 2 different vent colours of the sooty-headed bulbuls that we get here. Still a few black-crested bulbuls around, but the black-headed bulbuls seem to have vanished completely. And if you've ever wondered why these birds are called laughing thrush, and again please, here a little spider hunter, too nervous to go down to the pool. Next month we will put a tree stump just to the right of the pool here and hollow out the top of it to make a little waterproof basin there, especially for these smaller and more nervous birds. Another of our bulbul species, the streak-eared bulbul. I noticed that many of the red junglefowl hens were absent during January into February, and now we are starting to see why. What a sight for sore eyes. The lesser necklaced laughing thrush here. And two female Chinese blue flycatchers. And the greater necklaced laughing thrush now. Note that this is the 25th of February. Tomorrow morning we will move the camera back a little bit and dress the pool up with some new tree trunks. And there we are, a much better view now, I think. A lovely pair of greater racket-tailed drongos still coming to the pool, but that just makes me wonder what on earth happened to all the hair-crested and bronzed drongos that were coming here at this time of the year last year. I still see them around the land, but clearly they must be drinking somewhere else. The unmistakable bobbing of a Siberian blue robin. And a male blue flycatcher for a change. As so often, puff-throated babblers, bathing late in the day. The end of February and a very hot day, but over the next month or so we had some very strange weather with a lot of storms. I've already looked at the March clips and the March video will be a bit of a mixed bag.